Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com, and I'm here today to show you something really cool that's available right now at Shop Disney and Disney stores. This is themed to Disney's Ralph Breaks the Internet. This is a mini doll collection that has Queen Vanellope with the Disney princesses in their comfy attire that Vanellope connects them with, which is obviously a scene that you've probably seen from the trailer that really kind of sparked the internet and became a viral sensation, as you would expect it to. So all of these look to be more like 6-inch dolls, about the sizes of a typical action figure rather than your standard 12-inch. And this retails for $99.95. It does have the sticker on the back there, so it's not exactly cheap, but you have to keep in mind they did new face sculpts for pretty much all of the characters here. So especially if you're an adult toy collector, you can probably appreciate that, that it's not just the same little princess dolls that you would find in some of the other play sets that they have at the Disney store. So that is different. We are going to be opening this, which seems like a bit of a shame because look at how well they're posed. They're all sitting around like they do in the film, and they're really kind of caught in a moment. It's almost like a screenshot from the film, which the back of the box does have. So right there is kind of the money shot that I think this was sort of based on. Now they're not giving you the couch, but you will notice that the piece of folded cardboard that they're all sitting on has little buttons in it as if it is some throne room furniture. And then also excited that the back of the package basically features the backing of their little royal palace, which was inspired by the Dream Suite at Disneyland. I got to go to Disney Animation at the beginning of August to learn a little bit more about the film, and that was one of the cool things that they revealed was for a research trip. They got to tour the Dream Suite at Disneyland, and they were very much inspired by it for the look of the princess break room when Ralph and Vanellope go to ohmydisney.com. On the side there's Ralph and Vanellope, but on this side, this is cool if you're buying it in stores, it has a handle, so you could actually carry that out of the store like this. Since it is a little bit big, might not fit in a standard bag, and Disney Store doesn't even have free bags anymore. I'm going to open this up and pull out all the dolls, and we'll take a closer look at each of them. And there they are. It took about 10 to 15 minutes to get them all out of there because they're very well strapped in those poses. I am surprised how flexible the characters are and how posable they are. We'll start with the girl of the hour. We'll start looking at Vanellope. She is much more like an action figure than the rest of them. She does have hard plastic hair. Really the only piece of soft goods on her is her skirt. And then her legs are independent, but they are so short that they kind of stick together. But there she is. She's got her movable arms, movable head, and I don't have any of the Wreck-It Ralph action figures. I know there is a whole line of action figures out right now, so I can't tell you if this is exactly the same as the one that you would find in the action figure packs or if this is any different at all. But she is obviously to scale with these mini 6-inch dolls. We'll go through them in chronological order. Why not? So we'll start with Snow White. Now she does come with her glasses, which are rubber banded into her hand. You could take those out if you wanted to, but obviously that's a major joke for her. So she has this shocked and bewildered expression on her face because it turns out she can't see a thing without her glasses. So that is really cute. Her shirt has the red apple on it. It says poison, and it has the kind of skull motif on it. The creators chose that because not everyone can survive being poisoned, so she wears that like a badge of honor. And there are her pants and her shoes. Now all of their legs are bendable, so they have that kind of metal armature inside, so you can bend those. The arms are jointed, and those are very flexible as well, so you can really do a lot of posing with these dolls, figures, whatever you want to call them. Now Cinderella, she was towards the back of the package, so I didn't actually notice this until I opened her up, but she is holding her shank shoe, which is probably the funniest part of that moment in the trailer. Her shirt is so small on this one that you really can't tell. It looks like the carriage, but it's supposed to have GTG, got to go, internet text speak. She's otherwise wearing just kind of her normal signature blue. The one piece on this character that I'm really not thrilled with is the hair, which is meant to be in a ponytail, but because it's such a small doll, it doesn't go down. It just sticks straight out. So there's that for Cinderella. Sleeping Beauty, Aurora, She was one of the characters on the couch, so I straightened her legs. She comes with a little coffee mug, and her shirt says Nap Queen. She has amazing hair. It is kept into different curls, just like it is in the film. And then her pants are also this very shimmery material. Again, posable legs, so you can really do a lot of fun posing with the characters. Ariel has very long hair, and one of the odd things is it has bled. So I don't know if it shows on there, but on her legs, it's got red on there. This character was behind the couch in the packaging, kneeling, and so that's how she was posed. And I think the hair was tucked underneath, so that bled into the character. Her shirt says Gizmos and Who's Its and What's Its and Dinglehoppers. And then she has these shimmery, almost scale-like shorts, which are a lot of fun. No shoes. Why would she wear shoes? Belle is in gold, because her dress is gold, not yellow. And those are shimmery pants. Her shirt has a silhouette of the beast. It says BFF. Underneath that, it explains that that stands for Beast Friends Forever. And then she has a bow in her hair. So she's almost in the kind of villager look, but a little more comfy, and in her more signature gold. Jasmine has probably my second favorite accessory after the shank shoe, which is she's got her inhaler in her hand there. I'm not sure how well you can see that. But that is a really fun detail. I grew up with asthma, so this is really neat to see a toy with an inhaler. And then otherwise her hair is pretty standard. Her shirt, it might just be mine, has the genie holding up the 3 sign. It's supposed to say wishes underneath, and for some reason it has an almost permanent bend in the shirt. You can pull it down, but it's very hard to do, and then it folds right back up, so it's hard to see. She does have some shimmery legs on. Pocahontas, one of my favorites as a character, and I didn't initially love her look when I saw it in the trailer, but on the doll it is really pretty cool, especially her leggings, which have a pattern very similar to kind of her arm tattoo from the film. Her shirt is almost something like something out of an Arizona gift shop. Has a coyote howling at the moon. It says Blue Corn Moon on it, and then she does have her necklace. I love the flats that they gave her. Mulan. This one's a little bit of a disappointment. I'm going to warn you right away. So the big deal with Mulan's outfit is her jacket, and on the front it does have a little bit of Mushu on it. The big deal is on the back of the jacket in the film, and hers is left blank. So they didn't put the stitching or print on what should have been there that's in the film, which is what makes this jacket really spectacular in the movie. So that's a little bit disappointing. She does have some rolled jeans on, and then she's got her little sneakers. Tiana, over here, has a very interesting facial expression. She is winking. Her hair is a lot of fun. And then she has her shirt on that says Nola, which does include kind of a lily pad motif. So there is Tiana. Again, I love her hair. Here is Rapunzel from Tangled, which happens to be the shirt that I'm wearing. She does have her long hair, which in the box she was on the edge of the couch, so it was kind of tucked over on the side, so you couldn't really see it all that well. And she has a shirt on, almost like a biker shirt, but it's for the snuggly duckling. Her leggings have the little sun logo from Corona, which is really nice and fun. I love the hair on both Merida and Moana. I'll show you why in just a moment. She's from the other studio. So Merida has a shirt on that says Mum, because she wouldn't say Mom. There is her facial expression. And then she's wearing some kind of flat, almost like hiking boots or shoes. And then her flannel. So she's great. The hair is fantastically curly. It's all interlocked. There's no gaps in there. It's a lot of hair. And similar for Moana. It's not quite the same curly texture, but it is definitely replicating the texture of her hair from the film. She does have a glittery top. It says shiny. And then she comes with a little coconut drink, which her hands can't naturally hold. So it is wrapped in plastic and rubber banded to her hands when you pull her out of the box. I chose to leave her that way. she has no shoes on, just like Ariel. So that is the set of princess miniature dolls from Shop Disney or Disney Store. And this is exclusive to them, so you won't find this at Target or any other place. If you want this, you pretty much have to go to shopdisney.com or Disney Store to find it. This is going to be a really hot item for the holidays, I can already tell. Ralph Breaks the Internet looks fantastic. This scene in particular, lots of Disney fans are latching onto it. Lots of kids are really going to connect with it because they love these characters so much. So if you know someone who's a big Disney princess fan and you have the opportunity to get this now, definitely do. I foresee this as being the Elsa doll of 2018. So definitely don't miss your chance to pick this up. Again, it is a little bit pricey. It's $99 for the set, but they do have some sales coming up, especially Black Friday. So this is a great set. You're going to love it. Kids are going to love it. Adult collectors are going to love it. I kind of like that it's 6-inch rather than 12-inch because it lets you save a little bit of space. And again, the fact that these characters are so posable, you can do so much with them. We'll be posting more pictures of these sets on laughingplace.com, so be sure to head over there if you want to see more close-up pictures of all of these characters. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye.